visualizing results, etc. So just watch and ask any questions.
最初は一通りやってみますんで、まずは見ててください。やらないで。
So when you first load iRIC, you get a dialog which asks you either to open a project file that maybe you've already worked on, or you can create a new project. And it provides you a list with the available models here.
最初は新しいプロジェクト。
So this morning we're using FaSTMEC, so I'll choose FaSTMEC. The next thing we want to do is to import our measured data for our modeling project. The most basic data set that you'll import is your elevation data set. Today we're going to show you a way of importing very simple data sets of essentially random X, Y, Z points. Spatially distributed but not ordered. So from the object browser here, you can right-click to get import. And those operations are also available from the menu, so you can go to geographic data. The data that we're going to be giving you is in this .tpo format. It's essentially an ASCII file with X, Y, Z points, space limited. So I'll open my photography file. Sometimes if you have data that's been collected with some sort of remote sensing tool, such as LiDAR or terrestrial LiDAR, you might have millions of data points. And often the limitation of your memory on your computer will only allow you to import some subset of that data. And if that's the case, you can filter the data here. You can select every other point, every third. But in this case, I'm just going to open every single point. And then I'm going to import an image in the background just for reference. So there we have our measured elevation data, an image, a georeferenced image in the background. You can access the graphic properties of this point set by right-clicking on the point set and going to property. We can set this to be points, a wireframe, or a surface. And we can adjust the point size. I'm going to decrease the point size to 1 for now. So you can see the data is LiDAR data, airborne measured topography, and in the river channel we have cross sections and longitudes that were measured.